Long days in the saddle can either feel like freedom or feel like torture. The difference comes down to one thing: comfort. In 2026, adventure bikes have evolved beyond just being capable off-road machines. They've become rolling living rooms with technology that adapts to your body, your riding style, and the terrain beneath you. But here's the thing. Most people think comfort is just about a plush seat. That's wrong. Real comfort is about ergonomics, suspension that reads the road, wind protection that doesn't buffet your helmet into oblivion, and controls that fall exactly where your hands and feet expect them. Today we're counting down the 10 most comfortable adventure motorcycles you can buy in the United States for 2026. These are the bikes that let you ride from sunrise to sunset and still want to keep going. Let's dive in. Number 10. Royal Enfield Himalayan 450. Starting our list is the bike that proves comfort doesn't require a massive price tag. The Royal Enfield Himalayan 450 is the lightweight champion that punches way above its weight class when it comes to all-day riding. At just 432 pounds curb weight, this is one of the lightest bikes on our list. That weight advantage translates directly into less fatigue because you're not wrestling a heavy machine through tight sections or holding it up at stoplights. The seat height is adjustable between 31.7 and 32.5 inches depending on which seat you choose, making it accessible for riders who've been intimidated by the skyscraper seat heights on other adventure bikes. The ergonomics are thoughtfully designed with a slim seat and tank that let shorter riders get their feet down confidently. Wide handlebars give you leverage without overextending your arms, and those large enduro foot pegs provide a stable platform, whether you're seated or standing. The steel twin-spar frame is narrower between the legs than most competitors, which sounds like a small detail until you've spent 8 hours standing on rough terrain and your inner thighs aren't screaming at you. Showa inverted forks up front soak up the bumps with surprising refinement for a bike in this price range. This isn't a budget bike that feels cheap. It's an affordable bike that feels considered. For riders who want to explore without taking out a second mortgage, the Himalayan 450 delivers comfort that belies its accessible price point. Number 9. Kawasaki Versys 1000 SE. The Kawasaki Versys 1000 SE is what happens when a manufacturer decides that sport touring comfort matters just as much as adventure capability. This bike is built for riders who spend more time on pavement than dirt, but still want the option to explore when the road ends. The 1,099 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine produces 135 horsepower and delivers it with a smoothness that only a 4-cylinder can provide. Kawasaki added a second balancer shaft specifically to eliminate vibration, which means your hands don't go numb after 200 miles of highway riding. That might sound boring, but numb hands are the enemy of comfort, and the Versys eliminates them. The seat height sits at 33 inches, which is reasonable for a bike this size. The upright riding position puts zero pressure on your wrists, and the wide bars give you excellent leverage without feeling like you're doing yoga. The 21-liter fuel tank means you can cover serious distance between gas stops, and when you're getting 45 miles per gallon on the highway, that translates to over 400 miles of range. Where the Versys really shines is highway stability. This bike feels planted at 80 miles per hour in a way that inspires confidence. The windscreen does an excellent job of deflecting wind away from your chest and helmet, creating a quiet bubble that makes conversation possible even at speed. For riders who rack up interstate miles on their way to adventure, the Versys 1000 SE is a supremely comfortable companion. Number 8. Suzuki V-Strom 1050DE. Suzuki's V-Strom has always been the sensible choice, the bike that does everything well without drama or fuss. The 2026 V-Strom 1050DE continues that tradition, while adding modern comfort features that make it a genuine long-distance weapon. The 1,037 cubic centimeters V-twin engine produces strong torque throughout the rev range, which means you're not constantly shifting to find power. That relaxed riding style reduces fatigue significantly. The engine character is smooth and predictable, never surprising you with sudden surges or flat spots. Standard cruise control is a huge comfort feature that many competitors charge extra for. Set it at 75 on the interstate, and your right hand gets a break. The hand-adjustable windscreen lets you fine-tune wind protection on the fly without stopping or using tools. Taller riders can raise it for maximum coverage, while shorter riders can lower it to avoid turbulence at helmet height. The adjustable seat height helps riders of different sizes find their comfort zone, and the seat itself is well padded for all-day riding. The 5-inch color TFT display is easy to read in direct sunlight and provides all the information you need without overwhelming you with data. The V-Strom 1050DE is the bike for riders who value reliability and comfort over flashy features. It's not trying to be the most exciting bike in the parking lot. It's trying to be the bike you can trust to carry you across the country without complaint, and it succeeds completely. Number 7. KTM 890 Adventure R K. TM built its reputation on hardcore off-road performance, but the 890 Adventure R proves they understand that comfort matters even when you're chasing horizons on dirt roads. This is the bike for riders who want serious capability without sacrificing all-day comfort. The seat height is 34.6 inches, which is tall, but necessary for the 240 millimeters of suspension travel at both ends. That massive suspension travel is the key to comfort on rough terrain. The VP Explore suspension is fully adjustable for compression and rebound, letting you dial in the perfect setup for your weight and riding style. When suspension is working properly, it absorbs impacts before they reach your body, and the Adventure R's suspension is exceptional. The 2-step adjustable seat lets you lower the bike slightly when you need better ground reach. The riding position is neutral and intuitive, with bars that fall naturally into your hands and pegs that support you whether seated or standing. KTM designed this bike to be ridden hard, which means the ergonomics had to work for extended periods. The 890 Adventure R is not the plushest bike on this list. It's firm and focused. But for riders who measure comfort by how far they can push into remote terrain without their body giving up, this KTM delivers. It's the bike that lets you ride all day on terrible roads and still have energy left to set up camp. Number 6. Triumph Tiger 900 Rally Pro. British engineering meets adventure touring in the Triumph Tiger 900 Rally Pro, a bike that balances capability with genuine comfort features. Triumph clearly spent time thinking about what riders actually need on long journeys, and it shows. Heated grips and a heated seat come standard, which transforms cold weather riding from miserable to manageable. The seat itself is adjustable by 20 millimeters, letting you fine-tune your riding position. That might not sound like much, but small adjustments make huge differences over hundreds of miles. The Showa suspension is premium quality, offering a plush ride on pavement while remaining firm enough for serious off-road work. The damped handlebar mounting system reduces vibration transmitted to your hands, another detail that prevents fatigue on long rides. The riding position is what Triumph calls neutral and intuitive, which is marketing speak that actually proves accurate. Your arms fall naturally to the bars without reaching, your legs bend at a comfortable angle, and your back stays upright without strain. The 7-inch TFT screen provides clear information and connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth for navigation. 6 riding modes let you adjust throttle response and traction control for different conditions. The Off-Road Pro mode is particularly impressive, giving you maximum control on loose surfaces while still providing a safety net. For riders who want a bike that's equally comfortable on alpine passes and desert trails, the Tiger 900 Rally Pro is hard to beat. Number 5. Yamaha Tenere 700. The Yamaha Tenere 700 has become a cult favorite among adventure riders, and comfort is a big reason why. This is a middleweight bike that feels light and nimble, but doesn't punish you for riding it all day. At 459 pounds wet, the Tenere is manageable for most riders. The 34.4-inch seat height is tall, but the seat itself is slim, allowing you to get your feet down more easily than the numbers suggest. Yamaha redesigned the seat for 2025 with a flatter profile that distributes weight more evenly and reduces pressure points. The fuel tank sits lower and more forward than the previous generation, improving weight distribution and creating a more compact riding position. Wider foot pegs give you a stable platform, and the new clutch cover provides improved legroom. These are small changes that add up to significant comfort improvements. The 689 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine uses a 270-degree crankshaft that delivers smooth, predictable power. It's not the most powerful engine on this list, but it's perfectly suited to the bike's character. The suspension is fully adjustable at both ends, with a remote preload adjuster on the rear shock that lets you compensate for luggage or a passenger without tools. The Tenere 700 is the Goldilocks bike. Not too heavy, not too light, Not too powerful, not too weak, not too expensive, not too cheap. It's just right for riders who want a capable adventure bike that won't wear them out. Number 4. Ducati Multistrada V4 Rally. Italian style meets adventure touring in the Ducati Multistrada V4 Rally, a bike that proves comfort and performance aren't mutually exclusive. This is the bike for riders who refuse to compromise. The revised tank shape is wider and more accommodating at 7.9 gallons, giving you serious range between fuel stops. The windscreen grew by 20 millimeters in height and 40 millimeters in width for 2026, creating better wind protection for both rider and passenger. Modified air deflectors provide even more coverage, and the result is a remarkably quiet cockpit at highway speeds. The Skyhook Evo semi-active suspension is the star of the comfort show. New sensors provide smoother damping transitions and greater adaptability to changing road conditions. The system includes auto leveling, which maintains ride height regardless of load, and an automatic lowering device that drops the bike at stops for easier ground reach. The Easy Lift function makes picking the bike up from the side stand effortless. Multiple seat height options are available, including a new low suspension kit for shorter riders. The passenger experience received attention too, with repositioned top case mounts and larger rubber inserts on the foot pegs to reduce vibration. The Multistrada V4 Rally is expensive, but you're paying for technology that actively works to keep you comfortable. This is the bike for riders who want the best and are willing to pay for it. Number 3. Harley-Davidson Pan America 1250 Special. Harley-Davidson shocked the adventure world when they released the Pan America, and the 1250 Special proves they're serious about comfort. This is American engineering applied to adventure touring, and the results are impressive. Adaptive ride height is the headline feature. The system automatically lowers the seat by 1 to 2 inches when you come to a stop, making it easier to get your feet down. When you start moving, it rises back up to provide full ground clearance. For riders who've struggled with tall adventure bikes, this is transformative technology. The semi-active suspension uses sensors to automatically adjust damping based on road conditions. You feel the bike adapt in real time as you transition from smooth pavement to rough gravel. 5 riding modes include a dedicated comfort setting that prioritizes plush suspension over sporty handling. Heated hand grips and wind deflectors come standard, along with ergonomic adjustable seats that range from 31.1 to 32 inches. The handlebars adjust, the shift lever folds and moves 15 millimeters fore and aft, and the rear brake pedal adjusts for both seated and standing positions. The fuel tank features knee pads with traction ridges that help you grip the bike without squeezing. The Pan America 1250 Special is the bike for riders who want American muscle with European refinement. It's comfortable, capable, and surprisingly good at everything it attempts. Number 2. Honda CRF 1100L Africa Twin Adventure Sports. Honda's Africa Twin has been the benchmark for adventure touring comfort for years, and the 2026 model continues that tradition. This is the bike that does everything well without drama. The seat is adjustable between 33.5 and 34.2 inches in standard form, with low and comfort seat options available. The foam density is optimized specifically to reduce fatigue during extended rides. The narrow, contoured seat design allows good ground reach while still providing support for long days. High-set handlebars create an upright riding position with excellent visibility. The muscular upper fairing delivers substantial wind protection without creating turbulence. Tool-free height adjustment means you can change seat height in seconds without digging through your toolkit. The electronic suspension automatically adapts to road conditions and load, maintaining optimal damping whether you're riding solo or 2-up with luggage. The system works so seamlessly, you forget it's there, which is the highest compliment you can pay to suspension. The Africa Twin Adventure Sports is the bike for riders who want proven reliability and comfort. It's not the flashiest option, but it's the one that will still be running perfectly after 100,000 miles of adventure. Number 1. BMW R1300GS Adventure. The king of adventure touring comfort is the BMW R1300GS Adventure. This is the bike that defines what comfort on 2 wheels means, the benchmark against which all others are measured. The seat height adjusts from 34.25 to 35 inches. and the adaptive height control automatically lowers the bike by over an inch when you stop. The inner leg curve ranges from 72.4 to 77.9 inches, accommodating riders of vastly different sizes. The comfort seat is standard equipment, not an expensive option. The DAS electronic suspension with load compensation is the most sophisticated system in the adventure bike world. It automatically adjusts damping and preload based on riding conditions, speed, and load. The system learns your riding style and adapts accordingly. You can feel it working, constantly optimizing for maximum comfort. Cruise control, heated grips, hand protection, and adjustable footrests all come standard. The GS Flyline ergonomics create a relaxed riding posture that you can maintain for hours without discomfort. The windscreen is adjustable on the fly, and the fairing provides exceptional weather protection. The R1300GS Adventure is expensive, but for riders who spend serious time in the saddle, it's worth every penny. This is the bike that lets you ride across continents in comfort. The bike that makes 500-mile days feel achievable rather than punishing. There you have it. The 10 most comfortable adventure motorcycles for 2026. From the affordable Royal Enfield Himalayan 450 to the flagship BMW R1300GS Adventure, these bikes prove that comfort and capability can coexist. The right bike depends on your priorities. If you're spending most of your time on pavement, the Kawasaki Versys 1000 SE or Ducati Multistrada V4 Rally might be perfect. If you're chasing dirt roads, the KTM 890 Adventure R or Yamaha Tenere 700 will serve you better. And if you want the absolute best, regardless of price, the BMW R1300GS Adventure is waiting. But here's the truth. Every bike on this list will carry you farther and more comfortably than adventure bikes from just 5 years ago. We're living in a golden age of adventure motorcycles, where technology and engineering have combined to create machines that can genuinely take you anywhere in comfort. The only question left is which one you're going to choose. See you out there.